Welcome back, dear students. I am Amrita, who is dealing with this chapter on behalf of all the teachers who will deal in the different sections. So, we have already talked about the landforms. What are landforms? The exogenous and the endogenous forces. What are mountains? Let us do a quick recap. The mountains, they have steep slopes, the point which is called the peak or the summit, and when there is a continuity, it is called a range, or a series of mountains are called the range. And then we will also, I'll just give you a small information. There is also something called hill. So hill is much smaller than a mountain. Okay, and then we will talk. I have also told you that a mountain can be barren, means nothing can grow on it, or it can be very very rocky, or it can also have dense forest on it. So, and the mountains are classified into three types, that is your young fold mountains, the block mountains, and the volcanic mountains. So let us begin with the fold mountains. So in fold mountains we will deal with young fold mountains and the old fold mountains. So what are fold mountains? Fold mountains are formed when the earth's crust is creased or buckled due to the forces of compression. When you compress something, when you push something towards, so what happens? They become creased. Okay, and due to this external forces, this generally takes place when the two plates collide or move towards each other. Okay, the collision causes the edges of the plates to be raised or uplifted in the form of a mountain. So most fold mountains are formed at the edges of the plates. So examples can be, and there are of two types, young fold and old fold. So what are young fold mountains? So young fold mountains, as the name suggests, they are around very young. They have been formed around 10 to 25 million years old, and most of them are still growing, means they are still, more and more mountains are coming, means more forces are still exerted and they are still on the go. And in the world we can say Alps, Rockies, Andes, these are the examples of young fold mountains, and India, the Himalaya can be a good example of a young fold mountains which is situated in the north of India. What are the unique features of the young fold mountain? These young fold mountains are faulting, complex rock folds, volcanic activities, erosion and corridors formed, and weathering due to winds, ice or running water. Most of these mountains can be identified by the presence of glacier capes, elevated peaks. So when you see that these are the features of the young fold mountains. So what are old fold mountains? These mountains are around more than 200 million years old. So young fold were 10 to 25 million years old, but these old fold mountains, as the name suggests, are around 200 million years old. So the Urals, Alpacins are good examples of old fold mountains, but in India the Aravallis can be a example for the old fold mountains, or the Satpura region can be a good example. So what are the characteristics? They are characterized by relic plateaus, sculpted domes, accordant summits and irregular peak levels, as these features have resulted on account of erosion. So the main cause has been erosion. Okay, so there is a difference. If you see in the book, there is a difference between the young fold mountains and the old fold mountains. Please go through them carefully. Now we deal the second type of the mountains, which is the block mountain. So block mountains when one side of the fault in the earth's crust slides over another. So see, this diagram is there, right? So you just have to see this. So when the slides over another, then a block mountain is formed. The material from one side gets pushed upward while the other two side slides down. See, this is getting up and this is going down. So this is forming a block mountain. This uplifted rocks form mountains over time and under tremendous amount of intense pressure. A block mountain is also known as host. So this is known as the host, while the one which slides down is known as the graben. The Vindhya and the Satpura in India, the Vosges mountain in eastern France, the Sierra Nevada mountains in the United States and the Black Forest mountains in Germany are examples of block mountains. So now let us do what is volcanic mountains. Volcanoes, we all know what is a volcano. So due to the high temperature inside the earth, so endogenic forces, rock turns into molten magma. This gets pushed towards the surface. When the magma spews out from a crack in the earth, it is called lava. So this picture shows that how the volcanic mountains are formed. So successive eruptions rise to a volcanic cone as the lava flows, clouds or ash. An explosion of rocks pile up near the vent. Over time and sometimes quite quickly, a volcanic mountain builds up with familiar cone shape. So example can be Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Fuji in Japan. So please go through, see how the molten lava is. This lava is coming out and then you can see how it will form into a mountain after they cool down. So in the next chat, thank you.